So what is up guys, welcome back to my channel APS again. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, let's get started. So guys, in today's video we're going to tell you the results of all the giveaway that I did, like the Samsung Buds giveaway, the Fortnite free iconic skin account giveaway, and the GoPro giveaway results. In this video I'll tell you the result date. I will tell, not the results right now, because all of you are eager for the results. So guys, let's get started without wasting any further time. So guys, as you can see, we are on 1400 subs. Thank you so much for 1400 subscribers. I am so happy, and now we are on 1440. We are growing so fast, and our popular uploads 64k, 4.7k, then 3.4k, then 2.4k. And I don't know why this is the S10e Fortnite gameplay and giveaway of iconic skin has 2.5k views in 3 weeks only. That is so good. And the Fortnite scenario emote in super slow motion. And let's leave it and let's come to the topic right away. So guys, let me show you that how many people are asking for the results. This is happening. Okay, amazing. Like they're asking, done all these steps. I hope I'll get done. GoPro giveaway date, please. Oh my god, what a cam. How many of you waiting for the results? And nice design. Okay, thanks. Nice video, buddy. And I'll give shout out to, in my next video, shout out to all these people who are like this: the Matnik, CDP, TikTok, funny videos, gamer, PUBG player, natural tips, Shark Addict, and Llama Gamers, and many side guys. And shout out to everyone who did a comment on my video. And guys, the results will be out when I reach 2000 subscribers. And guys, don't worry, in a month or 15 days I'll reach 2000 subscribers. According to the rate of subscribers I'm getting in I get 100 subs in 3 or 4 days, and it depends, like in a week or like, okay, I'll reach this, like I'll reach 2000 subscribers soon, like in a month, not a big deal. So guys, whenever I will reach 2000 subscribers, I'll first make a video of the results. And if you want to enter the giveaway, I gave the, like, if you want to still enter the giveaway, you can still enter till I reach 2000 subs. And check out description to enter the giveaway, and I'll put links of my video. And let me give you guys a shout out real quick. Shout out to Soulless, Ganger, Reaper, Vyat, Sakak, Terry, and many more, Thomas, Ace, and Dave, and Mido, Terry. So guys, thank you for entering the giveaway. Siddhant, and this, what is this, Holy Mage, Cryptical Fire, and Cryptical Fire is OG, by the way. He is like and Game Link, oh yeah, Medusa, Noah, Emily Walker, Shaq, and Zala, and many more guys. So guys, shout out to everyone. You can see, please can I have it. So guys, many people were waiting for the results, and the results will be out once we reach 2000 subscribers. And I already did a giveaway, and who won the account, and I'm still upset about my account, but nice video. So guys, as you can see, I need V-Bucks. Many people were there. And so guys, this was all for today's video, and the result date will be like 2000 subscribers and we'll reach. And so guys, this was all for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel APS Check, and bye.